Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Is Tesla the best risk-adjusted opportunity in the stock market right now? Analyst Garrett Nelson, then Ives weigh in on Tesla stock. Tesla bull chicken genius Singapore is, on the other hand, pessimistic about the stock market short term. Let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price today up 1.52%, year to date down 43%, past year down 38%. Financial analyst Daniel Ives from Wedbush has a Tesla stock price target for the next 12 months of $300. And Garrett Nelson from CFRA has a Tesla stock price target $400.
Senior analyst Garrett Nelson. Stock has sold off really into this report. Garrett, is this an opportunity? You like this stock.
We do think it's an opportunity. Tesla shares are down close to 30% over the last month after a big run up. And, we really wouldn't bet against Tesla. Their earnings track record has been outstanding over the last few years. In fact, they've beat in 11 of the past 12 quarters. I think what's different this time is we think there's a reasonable chance that Tesla is going to announce a stock buyback. Some major investors have been urging Elon Musk to do so, and the company's balance sheet is in really good shape. They had about $19 billion of cash at the end of June. Their credit rating was recently upgraded to investment grade, and so we think they're in position to really take advantage of this pullback in the stock. We think there could be a fairly sizable repurchase plan announced in tandem with earnings.
Which you think is not factored in and would push up the stock?
That's right. But even absent that, we view Tesla as one of the market's best earnings growth stories at a time when earnings are being broadly impacted by inflation and slowing consumer spending. This is a company, if you take a 3-year view, we see Tesla's earnings per share roughly tripling between 2021 and 2024. They were the auto industry's biggest winner from the Inflation Reduction Act law that was signed in August. And then they have some near-term catalysts. The semi-truck first deliveries are expected in December, followed by the Cybertruck next year. And we know they continue to ramp up their 2 new factories in Austin and Berlin. And they recently completed an upgrade, a capacity expansion of the factory in Shanghai.
All right, we are ready to talk Tesla and tech. And for that, we bring in Dan Ives, Managing Director, Equity Research at Wedbush Securities. Dan, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Okay, so you cut the target from 360 to 300. It just was at 202 for a low. So 300 is still a nice move higher. What will drive it? I mean, it had record numbers, right? Record production, 4 plants. It's the #1 vehicle in Germany. They have these plants all over the world. They don't have the supply chain issues that some of the other companies have. What makes Tesla this winner that you just stay on board with it almost no matter what?
Yeah, I mean, look, Nicole, I view it similar as I viewed Apple the last decade. I mean, I view Tesla as the most disruptive technology company, really over the next 5 to 7 years. So I don't view this as the start of a structural downturn for Tesla. I view it as mostly logistical. There are clearly some demand issues that they're navigating. But when I'm able to look forest through the trees, I think this is a stock that will yet again ascend, and that's why we have a $300 price target.
Is Tesla a great company? Yes. Is Tesla making a profit? Yes. Is Tesla company growing? Yes. Is Tesla the best risk-adjusted opportunity in the stock market right now? Probably, but it depends. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. If everything works out the way it's supposed to, Tesla is probably one of the best opportunity in the stock market right now. If everything goes wrong, Tesla stock can plunge even more. By everything wrong, I mean war in Ukraine escalating, inflation rises instead of declining, macro headwinds, political headwinds, and economy going into a recession. And now let's listen to Chicken Genius bearish take on the stock market.
Don't be fooled by this bear market rally. Bear market rallies are used to bait people in. If everyone is short the markets can't go down. Bear markets will destroy both the bulls and the bear at the same time. So think about it. Inflation just blew up, and the very day the markets make the biggest green candle ever, like top 5. Manufacturing data just came out, it misses badly, and the stock market rallies. Nothing makes sense, and yet it totally makes sense, especially this year because it's midterms and plenty of manipulation to win elections. I understand it's hard, but this is not the time to be bullish. I've been saying this for months. So patience, the time will come. I do not care if this may be the bottom. At the end, the stock market is made out of many businesses. The fundamentals need to favor business. And until inflation is under control, the cost of capital favors business growth. Don't be fooled. My guess is something will break and a Fed pivot is not here yet.
What do you think? Is Tesla the best risk-adjusted opportunity in the stock market right now? I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.